Okay, so first we have the 75 cents that we are going to receive by simply signing up to this site. And then let's add, after our 2-minute session, the $6.25, and there we have our $7. All you have to do is just go to What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $7 in 2 minutes. We're talking about free PayPal money, super easy to do, this is fast, and you can earn a lot more with the same opportunity here. What you need to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna show you here on how you can earn $7 in 2 minutes, and of course a lot more with the same opportunity. This is super important that you don't skip on any part here, because if you do so, you won't get it to work for you. So pay attention, stick till the end, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. If you're interested also in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can earn $7 and a lot more here in free PayPal money. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first I'm going to show you the site here. This is going to be an app that we're going to have to download, but you can see here that it says $6.25 now on your first survey. So you're wondering why I said $7, and here is where the secret comes in. What you need to do is actually just go to Google and type Zap Surveys referral, and I'm just going to open here the referral code app here just to show you real quick. You're going to get the referral code, and of course when you have signed up you are going to share your referral code, because you're going to earn 15 cents for every person that you're going to refer, but when they sign up and when you sign up you will earn 75 cents there. So there you have it, 75 cents and 6.25, so you will see straight away $7 in your account there. But let's go back and have a look at the details here. Okay, and you can see here that they do have paid out a lot of people. There are no limit cash outs. Daily surveys are available here. They say $6 on your first survey, and this is also very nice if you're interested in some other cash out options. If you prefer an Amazon gift card, for example, a Visa or something, it is available, but I think most of us are actually interested in PayPal here. Simple and straightforward, has a lot of good reviews actually, so I did research around the globe here, and they are a legit company also. Now if you go in and have a look at the frequently asked questions here, because I think this is an important part as well. So by having a look first here on what is Zap Surveys, you can see here it is the #1 survey app. By using Zap Surveys you get paid to share your opinion on various topics. We have a ton of survey options. First one is high paying surveys, where you will not only be rewarded, but we will also donate to child starvation every completed survey. How cool is that? So if you want to do something good, definitely this is it, okay? So the next thing that you can earn money here is by logo polling. You get paid to tell companies what design they should use for their next logo. And surveys that appear based on your location there. So it totally depends on where you're located, what survey is available. They have said that you can actually earn up to $100 per survey as well here. So it totally depends here. Now, there are no limits to the number of times you can cash out, but please note that our minimum cash out is $25 here. So keep that in mind also, but there is no maximum cash out. Also, once you cash out, then you will have to earn an additional, of course, 25 to cash out again. So of course you need to put in some effort there. Now they work hard, they will actually, most rewards will be sent within a day of your cash out. So I mean, this is fast, all right? Here you can see why am I being disqualified from surveys. Companies are looking for specific people for each survey, so you may not meet the exact criteria for every survey, but that's completely normal, and I think it is actually for all the companies that have these kind of surveys. You can't go in and just apply for all the surveys there. So be honest, this is truth, be honest with your answers, take your time. If you read through each survey question carefully and respond accurately, then you will qualify for surveys at a much higher rate, okay? So take your time, do it right, this is truth. Now, what kind of surveys are being offered? And there are really no limits here. I think it can be travel preferences or whatever you have filled in the beginning there, and what is available, of course. Let's see here if there is something else that is important. I get a prompt saying that's sufficient number, and what happens to my answers? Well, of course, your individual responses are both anonymous and confidential, so don't worry about that too. They are used for companies, of course, for research purposes. That is what the surveys is all about. They want to improve their products, and they are asking people with surveys. And let's see here, why haven't I received my referral yet? I think you can have a look at the small details here for yourself actually. What I wanted to show you here as well is if I go inside here and the Google Play, let's have a look at it. If I just open up here and have a look at the screenshots, you can have a look. It's super easy. They do have also some cash back here as well. And there is actually, every day you log in, you will earn some extra points there. Okay, so keep that in mind. I really like this about the charity. This is super nice of them actually to do. So if I start to read here a little bit for you, it allows you to take surveys in exchange for rewards. You start now with a guaranteed $6.25. This is super cool also. And of course, build up your in-app balance and exchange for gift cards or cash via PayPal. So every day if you actually log in here, you can see here, basically, let's have a look at this first. PayPal payments, Amazon gift cards, and Visa gift card, whatever you prefer. All right. And you can see here it takes a few days and the minimum cash out is $25. You can earn cash by taking surveys, checking in every day for up to 3 cents here per day, or of course refer your friends for money. Has 3.7 here at Google Play, so if you are interested, I think you can just scroll down here and read all the reviews. There are positive and negative as with all the apps here. But this one, let's have a quick look here. So far it's a lot more fun than most survey apps, so it's actually more fun, as I said here. Multiple things to do to complete goals and earn little by little, so that even if you don't get as much surveys as some people, you still be able to get the $25 redeem point without trouble. So that is nice, because otherwise you might struggle to actually receive those $25 there. Alright, I'm not going to read anymore here for you. I think it's super easy, simple and straightforward. Go ahead, search for a Zap Survey referral code and just type it in when you sign up there, okay? And get started to earn your first $7 and of course a lot more there. Now, as I said here, this is probably not a great way to earn a full-time passive income online. So if you're interested in that, building a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. It helps a lot also. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you see at the end screen here. Both are related to make money online and a lot more. So make sure you subscribe to both and hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation here at my end screen as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.